Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to lock and unlock a keyboard on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I'll show you guys how to do it. You just need to hold the right shift key on your keyboard for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and you will be get this message. Do you want to turn on filter keys? You just need to select yes. Now you can't type your keyboard because it is locked, guys. Just check it out. As you can see, I'm typing in my keyboard, but no words are writing right here. If you want to unlock your keyboard, then you just need to hold right shift key on your keyboard for 8 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and now you can type in your keyboard as you can see, and that's how you lock and unlock keyboard on Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.